Metal, bone, glass, stones, or rigid plastic. How can food factories detect these foreign objects before products reach the customer? Foreign object contamination does not always begin with the raw material. A cutting blade can break. A mixer or grinder can wear down. Screws, wire fragments, conveyor parts, or damaged packaging materials can also enter the production flow. That is why food inspection should begin with a simple question. What type of contamination does your production line actually need to control? If metal is the primary risk, an inline food metal detector is usually the most direct solution. The OSHIMA MD400 and MD600 are designed to detect ferrous, non-ferrous, and stainless steel contaminants in food products. They can be integrated into a conveyor line with an automatic reject system, allowing suspicious products to be removed without interrupting the normal production flow. Metal detection is commonly used for packaged foods, bakery products, frozen foods, snacks, and processed foods. However, factors such as moisture, salt content, product temperature, packaging material, and line speed can all affect detection performance. That is why testing with the actual product and packaging is essential. But what if the main risks include bones, glass, stones, or ceramics? This is where X-ray food inspection may be more suitable. The OSHIMA OX400 and OX600 use X-ray imaging to identify density differences inside a product. In addition to metal, they can be evaluated for high-density contaminants such as glass, stones, certain bones, ceramics, and some rigid plastics. This makes X-ray inspection especially relevant for meat, seafood, agricultural products, frozen foods, boxed products, and food packed in complex containers. However, contamination detection is only one part of pre-shipment quality control. The OSHIMA CW150, CW220, and CW300 checkweighers can verify whether every package is within the specified weight range. For factories that also need barcode verification, batch information, printing, and labeling, the CWL300 can combine these steps within the same production flow. The right inspection point is just as important as the machine itself. Depending on where the risk enters the process, inspection may be required after raw material intake, after cutting or mixing, before packaging, or as a final check before shipment. A reliable food safety system is not about installing as many machines as possible. It is about placing the right control point where the risk needs to be stopped. OSHIMA provides integrated solutions for food metal detection, X-ray inspection, checkweighing, labeling, traceability, conveyor integration, and automatic rejection. Talk to OSHIMA to find the right food inspection solution for your product, packaging, and production line.